This tutorial review will show you how to make a read-only channel on Discord. If you already have a Discord channel and you would like to turn into read-only, here's how you can do it. So first of all, open your Discord and right-click on the Discord server with the channel you want to make read-only. Click on this Edit Channel icon. And here, select the Permissions tab. Scroll down here. You will find the Send Messages option here. So all you have to need just disable Send Message. And here you have to disable these four options: Send Messages in Threads, Create Public Threads, Create Private Threads. So disable these four options from here and click on Save Changes. Now, no one can send messages on your existing channel. So this is how we can make a Discord channel read only. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.